Hi guys, welcome to Crypto One on the more value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency trading and investment. And this is crypto update talking about the headlines, whereby we're going to share some headlines I've been working with for some days or for some hours now, so you can have an understanding of what is going on in the market. My name is Ahmed Oladimeji Kazim, and these are headlines. Nigeria limits cash withdrawals to $45 per day in CBDC digital banking, pushing, and I think that's a good thing talking about us trying to push. An independent audit confirms that Binance Bitcoin is more than fully backed. Wow, that's a good one. Also, we can see Goldman Sachs reportedly looking to buy Bitcoin or crypto firms after FTX collapse. And we can see right here as well Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin dip along with stock as recession concern looms. And we can see right here crypto lender Celsius bankruptcy judge orders Crypto says, excuse me, crypto lender Celsius bankruptcy judge orders it to return 5 or 50 million US dollars to crypto to custody account holder. What they're trying to say is they need to pay back about 50 million US dollars to the account holders. And UK crypto bill to restrict services from abroad. I think that's going to affect how the crypto, whatever, because what about people doing P2P? How are they going to go about it? Because P2P is trading between you and someone anywhere in the world. But we're going to see to that in the nearest future. Also, we can see Binance US eliminates trading fees for ETH. That's a good news for Binance US. South Korea Central Bank wants to oversee stable coins. And I think I like that because a lot of our golden stable coins have been having so much backlash, and we can see them pegging 1 to 1 when it comes to their dollar rate or the currency they're pegging with. But let's move on. Australian CBDC revives unexpected interest buckle hurts banks. We can see report says, and also central bank plans to make CBDC only legal tender or legal digital tender in Indonesia, says the government. Spain central bank open calls for proposal for whole CBDC project. We can see a lot of CBDC is now gaining more weight, and a lot of people are now just looking into it. I'm talking about countries, and we saw Nigeria even halting or reducing the withdrawal to 45 whatever dollars, so that thing can be encouraged. Let's see other countries that are interested in such thing. And we can see Japan recommends against algorithm backing stablecoin. I don't even support that as well. ECB official proposed ban on tokens with excessive ecological footprint. Excuse me. Iran sent to freeze bank accounts of women who refuse to wear a hijab. That is really awful. Bank of Russia wants to ban miners from selling cryptos to Russians. And we can see crypto lender Genesis has no solution yet for withdrawal halt. We know Genesis have all the withdrawal for some time. I'm talking about people are saying there will be maybe bankruptcy filing and stuff like that. And now they don't even know when they will come back. And speaking of that, we can see congressional subpoena for SBF definitely on the table, says Rep. Maxine Waters, because a lot of people are thinking maybe SBF is being pushed aside. But I bet you it's not. FTX hires forensic team to find customers missing billions of dollars. And we can see Michael Saylor on FTX fiasco says is unethical and illegal from the very beginning. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin dip alongside stock recessions concern the loom. We know, and I've said already, and you can see. Sorry, my this thing is slow. Excuse me. Congressman calls for investigation into Gensler sex role in FTX collapse. And we can see US courts unseal indictment of OneCoin crypto queen crisis manager. Also, we can see Grayscale faces lawsuit as GBTC plunges to record low of 43 discount. That is crazy. Crypto tax firm Coinly lays off 14% of its staff amid bear market. We know this crypto winter has been affecting so many companies, and uh, even GameStop is not left out. GameStop cut more staff, including crypto wallet engineers, and we can see collapse. FTX sought 100 million sponsorship deal with Taylor Swift, report says. And we can see New York prosecutor probing Sam Bankman-Fried roles in Terra USD collapse. People are saying he was even involved in the collapse of Terra USD, but money is going to come out. We know it's subject to hearing on the 13th of this month, and we're going to see if it's going to turn up or if it's not going to do that. And speaking of NFT, Warner Music Group to release Polygon Music NFT throughout LGNB platform. That's a good news. And last but not the least, ApeCoin holders pre-stake 34 million US dollars ahead of the reward launch. And that's what I have for you on today's headlines talking about cryptocurrency update. Until I catch you on another uh, headline show. I'm still myself, Ahmed Oladimeji Kazim. Stay safe, stay out of trouble, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.